Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So one recruitment is there from FSSAI regarding assistant post. Your salary will be 47,000 approximately. Total 33 vacancies are there. If you complete your graduation in any of the field, then you can apply. Okay. Age limit is 30 for general. So now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start the video. So first point is there is no percentage criteria, there is no aggregate criteria. So any graduate who passed the graduation, definitely you can apply to the post. Exam centers are all over India, so no tension of that, and posting will be anywhere in the India. Process will be only CBT, that is direct recruitment, so very good opportunity for you guys. But there is 3 years bond, okay? So you cannot leave FSSAI 3 years. Age limit is 30 for general, OBC 33, SSC 35, PWD 40, general 43, OBC, SST 45. This is the list of exam center. You can see your city or nearby city where you can travel. Okay, accordingly you can select in the form. Now we will see categories and vacancies breakdown. So assistant, for assistant post there are 33 vacancies. You are 13, OBC 9, SC 6, ST 2, EWS 3. Form already started on 13th of October and it will end on 12th November. Okay, about exam date they will notify us later, so don't worry about that. Just fill the form. In the description I will give you the link. Just click on that and you can fill the form. Age limit for cutoff is your 7th of November. Okay, so you can calculate your age limit, and till 7th of November your graduation also should get complete. Means final candidate are knowledgeable. Fees for general OBC 1500 rupees, SST EWS women 500 rupees, PWD ex servicemen 500 rupees. Now the most important thing about exam pattern. So let's see what are the sections are there. So total 100 questions for 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. Okay, total marks is 400 marks, means 4 marks per question, and 1 mark is negative marking. Paper language is English and Hindi. For quant, that is aptitude, 20 questions are there, reasoning 20 questions, general awareness 25 questions, English 15 questions, then computer knowledge 10 questions, and about FSSAI 10 questions. Okay, so there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections are there. Like this your paper will be there, and it is divided into 100 questions. So definitely in the strategy video we will discuss that where you can do all the things, and just wait for that. And now you can fill the form. The link is in the description. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the recruitment, you can comment down below. And if you want to ask me anything about any recruitment, then you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.